So the fifth technology video website that I would like to show you is getepic.com, which is like a reading website, which is free for teachers. If you wanted to add your class, you could. There's a student login for your class code, and kids can keep track of things. Some features on this app are actually on this web cost buddy, but most of the stuff that you would use it for is free. It's pretty awesome. If I go up to Explore, I can see what's recommended for me. I could search books by grade level. So if I search books by grade level, and I scroll down, if I go to grade level P, these are all the grade level P books. If I had my student class signed in, I could assign each of them the book. I could also heart it to favorite, so it stays in my favorites. So all these books are by grade level. And in here, there's different genres for each grade level. So, popular comics, you can have books read to you. You could also search through the videos or audiobooks. So there's a huge selection. Also on Explorer, you can search by subject, so you can go to English Language Arts and look for high-low books. Same thing, it has all the same collections, auto books, by reading level, fiction, nonfiction, or language. And if it has an end of the book quiz, if I click that, I can say yes, and all these books have a quiz at the end of them. So then you know exactly what your students are reading. I can also search by social emotional learning, so I could go to kindness. And these are all books based on kindness. Same selections, you can look for audiobooks. I can also type in something, so let's say I say Charlotte's Web. There's a book about spiders. You can go by reading levels, videos, got books, and then all books about spiders come up. Because it's all based off the book Charlotte's Web, which is kind of neat. So you can see what interacts. You click on videos, read to me. Let's say you wanted to look up sports, which is something I actually would use in the physical education classroom. Basketball Bells, Wilma Rudolph. It's pretty awesome. If I put in my students, I could have a roster and a class log. I haven't done that because I don't use this based on my physical education classes because I don't teach reading, but if I did, I could. You can set up activities and the students can log in. If I click over here, you can see that I can also email them. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.